Okay, well, there'll be lots of fires in fireplaces tomorrow night.
With just
all
normal
over New
logs.
England. Exactly, that's
normal
okay.
logs,
right.
It is going to be, so this is my question for you, Eric, and I know the temperature sort of determines this. What kind of snow are we talking about? What kind of snow are we shoveling?
Yeah, good question. It depends on where you are. So I think especially in central, western Massachusetts, it can be cold enough where you get a more typical or drier type of snow, but around that 128 corridor, eastern Massachusetts, it's going to be very heavy and wet. And so especially with leaves still in the trees. Remember Pamela did that story earlier on this week. There's a lot of them out there still. We could see some of those limbs coming down because of the heavy wet snow. Plows will definitely be out for the first time. Most of the accumulation with this one will be from noontime until a little bit after dinner time at a widespread 3 to 6 inches. Still looks like a pretty good bet. Now this December is going to be very unlike the past few. The past few have been generally warm. They've generally been very snowless. Now we look back toward 2013. That was a busy start to the season, but 2010 is probably the one that we're going to mimic the most. This looks to be a colder than average and snowier than average month, that front-loaded winter theme. Temperatures tonight are in the 30s. That cold air has seeped way down to the Gulf Coast. In fact, we even have a southwest wind, and the southwest wind is bringing cold air into New England. That's a really unusual setup, you would think, and you'd be right. Most of our cold air comes from the northwest, but that lobe of Arctic air moved down across the southern states first. And we've seen some unbelievable snow amounts in the south today. I mean, snowflakes down to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, South Texas, and a place that was just west of Corpus Christi has seen 6 inches of snow. That's more than Boston, Pittsburgh, Detroit, Minneapolis, Chicago, Denver, all combined so far this season. We know that's going to change pretty soon, though. A little closer inspection, that band of snow has been really impressive in Atlanta, the metro area there, across the western Carolinas, and now up into New Jersey. A little bit of light rain and snow will likely clip Nantucket and Cape Cod overnight tonight. Most of us are going to stay dry. And the real deal starts tomorrow morning. So around 7 to 8 a.m., snow should be falling on the south coast, and even on Cape Cod, most of this starts as some wet snowfall. Now, as we head toward lunchtime, midday, snow should be all the way up into southern New Hampshire, and the intensity will be starting to pick up. Also notice at the same time, we're warming up on the Cape, and that is going to bring the rainfall in. So your initial snow changes over. Our steadiest, heaviest snow, afternoon, early evening. And this is where we'll see the biggest rates. And I think around the evening is probably when the roads will be in the slowest, kind of roughest condition. Then as we head into the overnight, things will start to get a little bit less intense. The snow rates will come down, and there'll be light snow around until early on Sunday morning before we completely dry out. So we're looking at a widespread 3 to 6. Likely that most of us are closer to that 6-inch part of the range. And I think our biggest totals overall will be in that 495 to 128 corridor and down into northern Rhode Island and northeast Connecticut. A few towns here might see over 6 inches of snowfall. 3 very wet, sloppy inches of snow likely in downtown Boston, a little more on the west side of the city. 1 to 3 on Cape Ann, and 1 to 3 on the South Shore toward the Upper Cape. Your initial snow changes over to some rainfall there. You can see why the change. Water temperatures are very warm outside, so that's going to bring in that mix to some rainfall. Now, there is another system to watch at the start of next week, and that will be on Tuesday. Also wanted to point out that with this storm, we're not talking about any wind, coastal flooding. I mean, some gusts over 20 miles per hour, and that's going to be about it. So it's a storm system that really doesn't bring the whole kitchen sink, just the snow. There's the 7-day outlook. There's that storm risk for Tuesday, another chance for some snow, and then some big cold moves in for Wednesday and Thursday. David and Lisa, over to you.
All right, Eric, thank you.